Howdy, with this video I want to show you how to access Microsoft Office 365. If you don't like Google Docs and you don't have Microsoft Word on your computer, you can use the Word on Office 365 to produce your documents. So I'm going to show you how you do the introduction paragraph using your access to Office 365, and all students in Northeast State have this. It's not in D2L. You have to go outside D2L and get to the Northeast State homepage at northeaststate.edu. And you should see the little bear and the scrolling announcements there. But we're going to go to Students, the Student tab over here, and My Northeast. And I'm going to use my daughter's account. She just started at Northeast State this fall, so she's kind of in the same boat as everybody else. But we're going to get, it should be the same username and password you used to get into D2L. And then make sure you pay attention to the directions over here. Your Microsoft Office 365 account, a student email. And by the way, you have two student emails. One, you have a Northeast State email. There at stumail.northeaststate.edu. And you have your D2L email. This class is only going to use the D2L email, but Northeast State, like financial aid or admissions, are going to be using your StuMail account. So make sure you check both of those. So it says to use your student username at stumail.northeaststate.edu. I don't know if I can copy and paste that or not. Let's see. We're going to click on the Microsoft Office 365 link. And we're going to start using another account. I did, cool. Then I'm going to use her username. This is my first time doing this too, so if I have to hesitate or kind of stare at the screen for a second, bear with me. And they want the same password for use for D2L. There. Well, looks like she's already been on her. But you'll come to this screen, and if you want to get into Microsoft Word, so we're going to click on that. We're going to start a new blank document. They do have templates if you want to give that a shot. I'm just going to show you how to do it from a blank document. And it's pretty much like I showed you in the Microsoft Word video, but things may be in a different place. And we're going to be patient and wait for it to come up. There it goes. So we're going to start by inserting a page number. And here's insert, then page numbers. And we want it on the right side. So we're going to click the third one there. And we're going to type in your last name. Whoops. And space. Then we want to get out of header and footer. Yeah, so it's still there. So we're going to get out of header and footer. And then we're going to double space. So we're going to come back to the Home tab. And text alignment. I'm not seeing double space. We'll click on the three dots. There's line spacing. And we're going to go to 2. And that should double space everything for the essay. Then I want your name, my name, then my name, class and section number. It's the only 0870 class I'm actually teaching, but I'll go ahead and do that. 01, sorry. And then the date, doing this on 24th August 2021. And again, they want the date with the day, the month, and the year like that. Then we're going to center our title. So we're going to come to the second one on alignment here. And then you're going to hit enter, and then make sure you get back to align left. So we're going to come back up here to text alignment and go to align left there. You hit the tab key to tab over once. Then you type in your paragraph. You're gonna, all I want is your name, the name you prefer to be called, your major, and and then any contact information. The contact information is optional. If you're not comfortable giving that out, then don't. The odds are I'll never use it, but sometimes I get phone calls that are, this is, Abby at blah, 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 blah. And, it looks like they went through a tunnel or something, and I got 24 Abbies in all my classes, and I don't know who it is. Or I might even get the name, but I can't understand the phone number. But it's up to you. It's totally optional with the contact information. We're going to go to File, and we're going to save it. Save As, and click on Save As. Then you want to give your document a name. You don't have to put your name on the document. D2L does that when you submit it through the Dropbox. You can if you want to, but you don't have to. So I'm just going to call this intro paragraph and save it. And my understanding is this is saving it up there to the web, and you need to save it to your computer or download it to your computer before you can put it into into D2L. I'm sorry. So we're going to go here to File. We'll try Export, see what happens. No, we don't want to do that. Sorry. Guess we'll go to Save As. No, I don't want to do it to PowerPoint. I don't know why it's asking me that. Let me try that again. Let's go to File, Save As, download a copy to your computer, and that's exactly what we want to do. And we want to do it as a Word document. Please don't do it as PDF or ODT. So we're going to download a copy. And you can work offline with this apparently. And for my computer, it's going to open it up in Microsoft Word. You might find yours in Downloads. May take a second. I'm not sure where it's located. Let me check real quick. Hopefully it's in Downloads. Yeah, it's right there in Download there. I think. Maybe not. I don't know if that's mine or not. So I'm just going to go to File and Save As, and just find a place to save it. Be interesting to see where it goes on your computer. This document. Also, it is intro paragraph number 4. Okay, so it's in my downloads, so I'm not going to save it anywhere else. All right, so we got it ready. Missed our tab there. Might reformat it just a little bit, but it's formatted correctly. Reset the tab. Then we're going to go to D2L, because it should be saved in downloads, right? We're going to go to the class. I need to be in there as a student. Then we're going to go to assignments and click the correct Dropbox, which is the intro formatting paragraph. We're going to add a file. And we're going to click upload. A lot of clicking in D2L, so you got to be patient. Then I save that in downloads, intro paragraph number 4. We're going to add it. And once you're here, the most important thing is make sure you hit submit. If you don't hit submit, I'll never get it. And once you hit submit, and you can check what you're actually sending there. This says spaghetti recipe, you might be sending me the wrong document, right? So we're going to click submit. And you should get a file submission successful. It's there's the file name, and there's all the information, and it'll send you a confirmation email and everything. So if I say, hey, I never got your intro paragraph, you can go back to the assignments Dropbox, pull this up, and say, yeah, you did. And generally what happens there is sometimes a student will put something in the wrong Dropbox, and I'll come down here and say, well, wait a minute, put it in the wrong place. But everything will be good after that. So we've successfully got into Office 365, produced the document, got it to our computer. Again, it's probably going to be in downloads on your computer, just like it was on mine. And then you're going to upload it into D2L. So it's a few steps. Once you do it a few times, it gets pretty quick. Sorry if I fumbled a couple of times. It's my first time using Office 365, so I learned something too. If you have any questions about it, if you have any trouble with it, be sure to let me know. A lot of this first week in a class is just, struggling with this a little bit, making sure you're getting the right program to produce what you need to do, and all that good stuff. So, try and be patient. Ask questions when you have them. Let me know if there's problems when you have them. But we'll talk to you later. Bye bye.